Hello children, welcome to your maths period. Today we'll continue doing page number 91, practice time 1. A. Give an example of like and unlike fractions. What are like fractions? Numbers, fractions which are having the same denominator, they are like fractions, and fractions which have a different denominator, they are unlike fractions. So you can write any fraction, any three fractions you can write on your own, like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay, then B, express the following mixed numbers as improper fractions. So mixed number, we have to convert it into improper fractions. So how we will do? 12 2 upon 3 means you have to multiply this denominator by the divisor, and whatever answer we get, we have to add with the numerator. See, 3 12s are 36 plus 2 37 38 upon 3. This I'll show you. These two numbers has to be multiplied, and whatever answer we get, we have to add with the numerator. This is the method. Okay, so 18 5s is how much? First again we have to multiply here. 5 8s are 44, 18 5s is 90. So 90 and then plus 2 is 92 upon 5. 8 4s are 32 plus 1, 33 upon 8. So this sum you can do. This way we have to express the following mixed numbers as improper fractions. Now express the following improper fractions as mixed numbers. So what we have to do here, they have given 14 upon 3. That means we have to divide 14 by 3. See, I'll show you how. Practice time. This is 1. See, 14 divided by 3 we have to do. So 3 4s is 12, and what's the remainder? Remainder is 2, isn't it? So we have to keep the 14 upon 3, correct? This denominator has to be kept as it is, and 4 will come here. 3 4s is 12, and the remainder will come in the numerator. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 is 14 upon 3. Hope you have understood, student. One more sum I'll show you. Second one, 29 upon 7 it is. See, same way we have to divide 29 by 7. 7 4s is 28. So 29 minus 28 is 1. So the numerator will remain as it is. Okay, that is 7 will remain, sorry, not numerator, it is denominator. 7 will remain as it is. Then this 4 we have to write it here. 7 4s is 28 plus 1 is 29 by 7. Okay, so this way you have to do 3 and 4. Try to do it on your own. Then find 3 equivalent fractions of the following. 3 equivalent fractions means you have to find the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. Only 3 you have to find out. I'll show you how. 3 upon 4. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s, 3 1s are 3 and 4 1s are 4. Then 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. Then 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. These are equivalent fractions. Okay, so in each sum you have to find the multiples of each number they have given. Then E, reduce the following to the lowest term. 16 by 24. You have to reduce to the lowest term, means you have to see that this number is divisible by which number, or it is divisible in which table. So 16 and 24, they both are divisible in the table of 4. So we have to divide it by 4. I'll show you how. 16 by 24 is equal to, it has to be divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 and 24 divided by 4. So 4 4s are 16 and 4 6 are 24. Still we can reduce it to the lowest term, this fraction 4 by 6 by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Okay. So answer is 2 by 3. Same way for 13 upon 13 9. 13 1s are and 13 3s are. So 3, 4 and 5. Do it as homework. Now we'll move on to the next page. Comparing fractions. Now like fractions. As like fractions have the same denominator, we can compare two or more like fractions by comparing their numerators. And the fraction with bigger numerator is the greater fraction. Example. Compare 4 upon 11, 9 upon 11, 7 upon 11 and 2 upon 11. These are all like fractions. Why? Because here the denominators are the same. And arrange them in ascending order. You have to arrange them in ascending order as well. Solution. Since the denominators are the same, we compare numerators. We cannot compare the same number, isn't it? So we have to see the numerators. So on comparing the numerators, we get 2 is less than 4, which is less than 7, and 7 is less than 9. So 2 by 11, 4 by 11, 7 by 11 and 9 by 11 is arranged in ascending order, smaller to bigger. Okay. Now example 2, Fabian, Revati and Azhar are having a cake. Fabian is having 3/5 of a cake and Revati is having 1/5 of the cake. And Azhar is having 2/5 of the cake. Who is having more cake? Also arrange them in ascending order. As denominators are the same, compare the numerator and then arrange them in ascending order. What is the denominator? 5. They are same. So we have to compare with the numerator. So 1, 2 and 3. 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. Now unlike fractions. Case 1, fractions with same numerators. In the given fractions, as the numerators are the same, here you can see the numerators are same, and the fraction with lowest denominator, which is the lowest denominator 8, is the greatest, and the fraction with the greatest denominator, that means 21, is the lowest. So you have to compare these numbers and arrange them in ascending order. Solution is, since the numerators are the same, therefore on comparing the denominators, we get that 8 is less than 13 and 13 is less than 16, 16 is less than 21. Thus 5 by 21 is less than 5 by 16, then 5 by 13 and then by 5 by 8. It has been arranged in ascending order. Case 2, fractions with unlike numerators and denominators. To compare two or more unlike fractions, convert them into like fractions by finding the LCM of their denominators. See, remember, fractions with same numerator but different denominators are always unlike fractions. Same numerator and different denominators, they are unlike fractions. Now case 2 we will solve. What we have to do to compare two or more unlike fractions, convert them into like fractions by finding the LCM of their denominators. See, example, compare 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6 and 2 upon 9 and arrange them in ascending order. First, we have to see the denominators, that is 4, 6 and 9. Find the LCM of these numbers, that is 36. LCM means least common multiple of 4, 6 and 9 is 36. Now converting the given fractions into like fractions, we get 3 upon 4 and 36 we got, isn't it? So in the table of 4, it is, we can multiply by 9 to get the answer 36, isn't it? So 4 9s are 36. So we have to multiply the numerator also by 9. 3 9s are 27. Same way for 5 upon 6. If we multiply it by 6, 6 6 are, we get 36. So same number has to be multiplied by the numerator, that is 5 6 are 30. Here 9 4s are is 36, so multiply the numerator by 4. 2 4s are 8 and 9 4s are 36. Since 8 is less than 27, which is less than 30, we get 8 upon 36, then 27 upon 36, then 30 upon 36. Therefore, this 2 by 9 will come first, then 3 by 4, and then 5 by 6. It has been arranged in ascending order. Practice time 2, I'll continue it in the next video. Thank you.